Hey there, welcome to Illuminated Minds TV. This is the channel where we explore the habits, psychology, and science behind smarter learning and personal growth. If you're new here, consider subscribing because every video is designed to help you unlock your academic potential and become the best version of yourself. Let's dive straight in. To truly focus, you first need to understand what focus really is. Focus isn't about pushing yourself harder, it's about managing your attention. According to cognitive scientists, our brain works like a spotlight. Wherever it shines, that's where your mental energy flows. But here's the problem. Modern life is full of things fighting for that spotlight. Notifications, noise, social media, even your thoughts. So, how do we fight back? Let's break it down scientifically. 1. Control your environment. Your brain is constantly reacting to its surroundings. The more clutter and noise around you, the more attention gets scattered. Create a focus zone, a study space where everything signals productivity. Keep only what you need. Silence notifications. Use background study sounds or white noise if it helps. When your environment looks like focus, your brain acts like focus. 2. Use the 25-minute rule. Studies show that our brain's peak focus lasts about 25 to 30 minutes. After that, attention naturally fades. That's where the Pomodoro technique comes in. Work in short bursts, 25 minutes of deep focus, followed by a 5-minute break. This trains your brain to concentrate deeply in cycles, preventing burnout and boosting retention. 3. Limit mental multitasking. Here's the truth. Multitasking kills productivity. Research shows it can reduce performance by up to 40%. Instead, batch similar tasks together. If you're studying math, don't switch to English halfway through. Keep your brain in one mental lane at a time. Deep work happens when your mind isn't jumping between apps, subjects, or thoughts. 4. Manage internal distractions. Sometimes the biggest distractions aren't outside, they're inside. Worry, boredom, daydreaming, they all pull you away. Try mindfulness techniques like deep breathing before study sessions, or use a quick brain dump. Write down every thought distracting you before you start. Once it's on paper, your brain can relax and focus. 5. Reward your brain. Your brain loves rewards. When you finish a study session, give yourself a small dopamine boost, a walk, a snack, or a short video. This positive reinforcement trains your mind to crave focus instead of avoiding it. And that's it. The science of focus in action. Remember, focus isn't a talent, it's a trainable skill. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your productivity transforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's always getting distracted. This is Illuminated Mind TV, where we help students think smarter, learn deeper, and grow faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.